What's up guys, Mostly Aviation here, and today I'll be reviewing this AirAsia Airbus A320neo 1:150 scale by Skymarks. If you guys are wondering how am I able to get this model, since you can get this in flight only, I saw a post on Facebook that AirAsia Philippines announced a couple weeks ago that they are gonna be selling their in-flight merchandise on Shopee. So I went to their store and bought one for 1,400 pesos with a 10% discount. As of now, there are 3 left in stock, so I recommend you guys getting one since getting this model is quite rare. So since this is a Skymarks model, I have to assemble it. Now let's first take a look at the box. So here is the box, which is nicely designed. So there's a window where you see the fuselage of the model. Here it says AirAsia A320neo. The box is very nice and creative. As you can see, at the sides here is the design of the fuselage, which has the AirAsia.com titles and the passenger windows. Same thing also with this side. It's very nice and creative. Here's the back, which has the specs of the Airbus A320. And then here we have digital photos of what the aircraft looks like. So now let's unbox this. So there we go. So off the back we have the fuselage of the model. As you can see, it is wrapped in plastic. The nose gear is already attached, as you can see. Just focus there. It's already attached, and also the tail is also attached, which is very nice. Lifting the second tray here. As you can see, we have the wings, which has the landing gears also attached. They nicely roll. And as you can see, you have the sharklet here, and here it says AirAsia, if it could focus or not, but yeah, there you go. And then here we have the right wing. So here we have the stand. And then inside the stand we also have the horizontal stabilizers. That like there. Then we also have a manual. How to assemble it. Last, we have the engines, the Neo engines, which is bigger than a regular A320 engines, as you can see. So yeah, I will now be assembling this model. Oops, that's the wrong way. So there you go. That's the assembly of the model. So as you can see, I haven't assembled the engines yet. It's because I have something to say about this. If you guys have a regular Skymarks A320neo model and if you put on the engines like this, like so, as you can see that it is weirdly angled. It's like a really big design flaw. When I search in the different reviews about the Skymarks A320neo, they don't point out this problem. Like every review I see, their engines is like this, and it's not their fault actually. It's a major design flaw, but don't worry, I have a way to fix this problem. So if you look closely, if you focus right there, so if you look closely here, you just attach it like that, like make sure it's really covering the hole over here, and then you just push like that, and as you can see, it's still angled at the bottom. So what you want to do is pinch the engine upwards, and there you go, it is now straight. So on the other side, it's the same thing, same procedure. You really have to cover the hole. Whoops. You have to cover the hole here like that, and then pinch it upwards like that. So there you go, the engines are nicely attached like that. There you go. So again, what I think that they did here, they just slide in bigger engines on the regular A320-200, which of course that's what they did in real life, but I don't think Skymarks really think that out, that they should redesign their wings to fit the neo engines. But yeah, as you can see, they almost touch the ground, but they actually don't. I'm using an illustration board right now, so the height or how low the engines touches the ground is may vary, but it really does not touch the ground. It's very nice. But yeah, on to the review of the model. Again, the model is plastic, but it's again high quality plastic, which I really like. But yeah, here we have the cockpit windows. Here I think we have a static port. Over here we have the L1 door. Here we have the nose gear. Here we have the other static port. And here this time the fuselage turns red. And then here we have the AirAsia website, which is in all small caps. Here we have the Neo engine. Moving on, here we have the 2 emergency exits. Over here on the sharklet is color red, right there. Here we also have the landing gear. Beside the website, we have the slogan of AirAsia, which is now everyone can fly. Moving on, we have our L2 door, and on the back here, or the tail, we have the AirAsia titles and then horizontal stabilizer. What I also realized with this model, it doesn't have an APU. Doesn't have any APU details right there. But yeah, onto the other side, it's basically the same thing, but this time we have the cargo doors. So there is the front cargo door, and here we have the back cargo door and another small cargo door right there. What I also noticed with this model, it doesn't have any flag of what country this operates on. So let's say you buy a model, an AirAsia model, when you're in the Philippines, you'll be getting the Philippine flag, and if you buy it in Malaysia, you'll get the Malaysian flag, and also many more Asian countries, you'll be getting a flag over here under the cockpit. But this particular model does not have a flag, so I might just put a decal right there, but it's fine. It's just a small problem right there, but again, I'll just put a decal right there. I also noticed the engines does not have the AirAsia logo, but actually in real life some aircrafts does not have the AirAsia logo on their engines, but a lot of their aircrafts does have But yeah, here's the top part if you guys want to see. There's the top part. I really love AirAsia's livery. It's very nice, very bright red. Again, there you could see the AirAsia logo on the sharklet. But yeah, here is the back also, which we have the AirAsia logo again. And here at the back we have two holes, which one is rectangular and one is circle. So for some reason Skymarks does this, even though we don't have a circle hole for the stand, you know, we use the rectangular one. But yeah, the landing gear is nicely rolled. It's a very nice model. I actually really love Skymarks models, even though they're not even detailed. They only have the basic details on it, but I really don't have a problem with that. So why not, let's attach the model to the stand. So there you go, that is the model with the stand in like a taking off position. So very nice. So you guys really want this model, you should really check out their shop in Shopee. This is not sponsored by the way, but yeah, this model always gets out of stock, so hopefully you guys, if you want one, you should get one right now. But yeah, that's about it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next video.